Welcome to Las Vegas Modern Kung Fu Channel. This is 师傅 JJ. I can't wait to present you the lesson 5, Eagle Kung Fu. Let's go.
Right hand to make a circle. A left hand makes circle. Right hand become eagle claw to attack. Right hand to block. Left hand to block. And your right hand become the eagle claw attack to shoot. Left hand to block left side of your head. Right hand become eagle claw to attack. Left hand to block and right hand to attack the weak spot stomach. Right hand to attack 45-degree down and your right knee down to the ground. Right hand attack 45 down to the weak spot. Stand up. Both hands become eagle claw to block. To make spinning kick to the height. Landing your right feet. Twist your right knee on the ground. Push your right eagle claw forward with power. Both hands to grappling the arm. To make a spinning kick to the head, over the head, landing your feet. Both hands grabbing the left arm and twist to the left side. Both hands grabbing the hand very tight and twist it. Forget the wrist.